Hello student, today we will study chapter 1 Food. Where does it come from? Of class 6 science. In this chapter, the main points to understand are various types of food, food materials and their sources, various plant parts as a food, different animal products as a food, types of animal on the basis of their eating habits. All living things like plants and animals need food and water to live. But do you think why it is so? Can't we live without it? No. Everyone needs food to survive. We need food because food gives us energy. It gives our body all nutrition to grow and heal when we are injured. Thus, food keeps us healthy and provides us essential nutrients to fight against diseases. Look at this picture. In this picture, we can see variety of food in the plate. But what is the food? It is an essential substance consumed by human and animals to get energy. So, from where does the food come from? And what are the sources of the food? Plants and animal are the two sources of food. Plant gives us grain, cereals, vegetables, fruits, vegetable oils and many things. Whereas animal gives us milk, egg, meat, chicken, fish, cheese, butter, ghee, prawn, beef, pork and many other things as well. And hence plants and animals are the two major source of the food. Look at this plate. It has got variety of food and everyone eat different types of food every day. In this picture we can see dal, chapati, rice and vegetable curry. And to make different food item we need different kind of ingredients. Now the question is, what are ingredients? Ingredients are the material required to prepare the food dishes. Now you understand? Any material that required to prepare any food item are called ingredients. Say for an example, to make chapati or roti, we need wheat flour, water and salt. Here some people use salt and some will not use. And hence those are the ingredients to make chapati. And to make dal, we need pulses, water, salt and spices. And hence these are the ingredients to make dal. Here in this picture you can see vegetable, fruits, wheat flour, rice, dal, cornflakes, bread, vegetable oils. Do you think from where does it come from? It comes from plant sources and hence those are called the food ingredients come from plants. And in this picture we can see milk, butter, ghee, curd, eggs. Where does it come from? These materials comes from animal sources. Our majority of food come from plants, leaf, stem, root, flowers and seeds are the edible part of plant. Now what is edible? Edibles are the substances which we can eat. The flowers which we can eat are cauliflower, broccoli and some other flowers as well. The edible stems are sugarcane, potato, asparagus. The edible roots are beetroots, carrots, radish, sweet potato. Edible leaves are spinach, cabbage, coriander and lettuce. Edible fruits we can use are brinjal, tomato, drumsticks, and some other fruits like mango, chiku, banana, and many more. Edible seeds are of two types. Some are called cereal grains like rice, corns, oats, wheat, and barley, whereas the pulses are green grams, black grams, peas, and lentils. Some plants have two or more edible parts, like mustard plant. Mustard plant gives us oil that is from seed, whereas leaves are used to use as leafy vegetables. By using this picture, we will try to understand the honey making processes. Nectar is a sweet juice present into the flowers, and honeybee get attracted towards this nectar. Honeybee extract the nectar from flower for the food, and honeybees then, after collecting the nectar, they convert it into honey and store it in beehives. Bees store the nectar for their use throughout the year because nectar is available only for few months of the year. But what people normally do, they collect this honey for themselves from the beehives and sell it. We purchase honey from market and use as a food. In this picture, you can see the sprouted moong and sprouted chana. What is sprouted? What does the sprout means? When a white structure has grown out of the seed are called sprouted seeds. Here you can see the sprouts of two grains. But do you know how to make the sprouts? To make the sprout, we have to take some seed in container filled with water and leave it for a day. Next day, drain the water and wrap the seed in a wet cloth and put it aside. The second next day, you can see the white structure grown on the seed. These are the sprouted seeds. You can eat them as it is or boil them and eat. They are very healthy to eat. Do you think that all living beings need the same kind of food? No. All living beings do not need same kind of food. Some animals require plant, some require other animal, and some can eat both. On the basis of the eating habits, animals are divided into three different categories. In this picture, you can see cow, buffalo, goat, and elephant. What do these animals eat? These animals eat only plants, and hence these animals are called herbivorous. And in this picture, you can see lion, tiger, jaguar, and jackal. What do these animals eat then? These animals eat only other animal, hence those are called carnivorous animal. There are some other animal which can eat both plant products as well as animal, hence those are called omnivorous organism. You can see in this picture dog and crow, those are the omnivorous animal. The key words needs to understand in this chapter are edible, nectar, sprout, herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous.